Picture this. A customer signs up for your service and instantly receives a warm welcome email. A few days later, they check out a product on your website, and soon after, a personalized reminder lands in their inbox. That is how triggered email campaigns win over your clients and turn them into loyal customers. In today's video, we'll uncover how these campaigns work, why they matter, and how you can easily set them up with Sendpulse to elevate your marketing strategy. So buckle up and let's dive in. Triggered emails are automated messages that are sent in response to specific user actions or conditions. Instead of sending this same email to your entire mailing list, you tailor communication to the customer journey. These emails reach the right person at the right time without any manual effort. According to the Epsilon Email Institute, triggered emails achieve 70% higher open rates and 152% higher click-through rates compared to regular newsletters. Now let's walk through the process of how the triggered email campaigns work. First, a user performs an action. For instance, they create an account or abandon their shopping cart. Then the system detects this behavior and triggers a predefined rule. An automated email related to that action is sent immediately to their inbox. That's all it takes: a clear trigger, an automated workflow, and timely delivery. At this point, you can see that triggered emails are convenient and helpful. But what do the numbers tell us? Why is triggered email essential for your marketing strategy? Let's walk through its advantages. Triggered emails retain customers by staying connected through relevant messages that strengthen loyalty. They enhance brand value, as consistent personalized communication builds trust and recognition. They save your time. Once automated, campaigns run around the clock without manual effort. Triggered campaigns can boost sales. According to the Brilliant study covering 200 e-commerce stores worldwide, the highest performing cart abandonment campaigns recovered 40% of revenue. They improve customer satisfaction. Timely and personalized messages create a smooth experience. According to Blue Shift, triggered emails deliver 468% higher click rates and 525% higher conversion rates compared to bulk campaigns. Now let's take a close look at the most effective types of triggered campaigns. Welcome emails. These messages set the tone for your relationship with a new subscriber. A well-rounded welcome email introduces your brand, highlights key benefits, and may include a special offer. Statistics shows that welcome emails generate 4 times higher open rates than standard promotional messages. Onboarding email campaigns. Think of them as a short step-by-step guide delivered straight to users' inbox. These emails help new subscribers explore your product, discover practical features, and take their first actions. Onboarding emails reduce churn as they ensure that customers understand your product value faster. Abandoned cart reminders. Even engaged shoppers sometimes walk away before finishing checkout. An abandoned cart email gives them a gentle nudge to complete their purchase, sometimes with an incentive like free shipping or a discount. According to recent statistics, emails sent to recover abandoned carts can achieve an open rate of 39% and a click-through rate of 23%. Re-engagement emails. Inactive subscribers are part of every mailing list, but when customers go quiet, it doesn't always mean they are gone for good. Re-engagement campaigns can win them back by offering exclusive deals, asking for feedback, or simply reminding them what they are missing. Brands that leverage these campaigns in their strategy keep their list healthy and deliverability high. Birthday or anniversary emails. Customers appreciate it when brands remember important dates. Sending greetings with a small reward like a discount code, gift, or exclusive access turns routine communication into a genuine gesture of care, helping you delight customers and strengthen loyalty. Triggered email campaigns do more than just send messages. They create conversations that feel natural, timely, and valuable. So if you want to boost engagement, recover lost sales, and keep customers coming back, triggered campaigns are the way to go. With Sendpulse, you can launch data-driven triggered email campaigns that react instantly to user behavior. Every message hits the inbox at the right time, boosting conversions without manual effort. Our flexible automation builder lets you map complex workflows with ease and track performance in real time. Beyond that, you can combine emails with SMS, web push notifications, and even chatbots to create a seamless omnichannel experience. Visit our website to explore Sendpulse's versatile tools and pick the right pricing plan or craft your own using our Pricing Place Builder. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on digital marketing. See you in the next one.